Welcome to the homefood.in. The homefood.in originated with the idea of providing delicious, homely, and hygienic food in and around Mangalore. Since 2012, we have been consistently delivering standard hygienic food to our customers. We provide variety of breakfasts such as aloo paratha, veg pulao, and South Indian items like idli, dosa, vada, kottige, etc. Do you have a small gathering or a picnic? We shall cater for all your small and bulk orders. These are some lunch options. White rice veg combo. Here's red rice combo for diet or diabetic customers. Don't eat rice? Then we have chapati combo. Don't like veg? Then we have non-veg with chapati combo. Non-veg combo is also available with red rice and white rice. We make variety of dishes like South Indian, North Indian, Chinese and Mangalorean cuisines. For non-veg, we have chicken, egg, fish and mutton sometimes. We may also surprise you by sending biryani too. What kind of biryani you may ask? Chicken biryani, veg biryani, mutton biryani, fish biryani also. Don't forget paneer and mushroom biryani also. Noodles and fried rice are also part of the surprises. Breakfast deliveries are completed before 8 am. You may expect your lunch anytime before 1 pm. Here are some dinner options. We provide chapati combo, white rice combo, red rice combo. Both veg and non-veg is available as per your requirement. Along with this, we also provide varieties of salads, veg and non-veg, such as protein salad, Russian salad, tossed salad, corn chaat, makhna chaat, etc. In non-veg, we provide grilled chicken, chicken tandoori, chicken breast roast, and chicken wings also. And there are more varieties in this. Have a look of these images which are original and clicked before sending to our customers. Please note, we take only 1 day prior bookings. 1 day prior cancellations also. 100% advance payment to confirm the order. Refund against cancellations are not allowed as we take only limited quantity orders. We assure you'll not miss your home as we provide 100% authentic homemade food to you. For more details, call or WhatsApp 81470 14147. Thanks for watching.